white, yellow plus white, off, spot, low beam, pass light switch, full blast, off, yellow, pass light, high beam, low beam, white, high beam, low beam, pass light, white plus yellow, high beam, low beam, pass light. Itong switch na to para sa dilaw. Ito naman para sa puti, white plus yellow, full blast. Ito naman pag naka-activate siya, pag nag-pindot na kayo, bubukas yung spotlight. Saka meron din yung pass light switch. Ito yung pag-select ng stock, saka hela compact.